This is our today's topic, factor. A factor is a number when you divide it by the other number, and if you get the remainder as 0, at that time that divisor is called as a factor of that number. So in simple way, we will try to learn what do you mean by a factor. Again, I will repeat it. When a number exactly, that means completely, divide when a number exactly divide by the other number, then that number is called factor of that number. So this is the definition. Again, I read it. When a number exactly divide by the other number, then that number is called factor of that number. That number means original number. So how we explain it? We will take an example. That example will definitely clear you the idea of factor that we are going to learn today. This is our first example. When a number, so let us take a number in your mind. Suppose 6 is that number, is exactly divided by other number, and let the other number be 2. Then what we got here? So I divide it. Look here. Here 6, I write here 2. I read the table of 2 up to 6. 2 3s are 6, so I write here 3. 6 minus 6, 0. This is called as the quotient. This is called as the divisor. This is called as the dividend. And this is called as the remainder. So what is the definition? Is exactly divided by. Exactly divided means we got the remainder 0, leaving no remainder. At that time, that number means here 2. 2 is called the factor of 6. So here I write 2 is called factor of 6. In this way, you will find the factor of any number if you got the remainder as 0. So let us take another example. We'll try to find out the factors of different numbers. How we will find it? Question number 2. Find all factors of 12. This question is given to us. Find all factors of 12. So again, a very simple trick is given to you. I will tell you. Learn this trick. This is very easy trick. To finding a factor of any number, that means check by how many numbers this number is divisible. That means check 12. So I write here, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to check whether this 12 is present in all these numbers table or not. If this is present in the table of that number, that means this number is a factor of 12. So how we check it? As you know that every number is present in the table of 1. That means 1 is a factor of every number. What we got here? 1 is a factor of every number. Check whether 12 is present in any numbers table starting from 1 up to 12. 1 up to 12. If it is present, then that number is a factor of 12. So what we got here? Look here. We got here 1. 1 12 is 12. Again I read the table of 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. And 2 6 is 12. So 12 is also present in the table of 2. So I write here 2. 2 is again a factor of 12. Then I read the table of 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. So 12 is present in the table of 3. So I write here 3. Then I read the table of 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. Again I write 4 here. 4 is a factor. So 5, I read the table of 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. That means we are not find the 12 in the table of 5. So I do not write here 5. Then we move towards the table of 6. Look here. Then we move towards the table of 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. That means 6 is present because 12 is present in the table of 6. Then we move towards the 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. So 7 is not a factor of 12. So I tick the numbers whose present in the table of 12 is present in that table. In the 8, 8 1 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 is not. 9 1 is 9. 9 2 is 18. 9 is also not. 10 is also not, and 11 is also not. So what is left here? 12. 12 is present in the table of 12. So I write here 12. So what are the possible factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are all the factors. All the factors of 12. So in this way, you can easily find out the factors of any number if you know the different tables of different numbers. At least, student, you have to learn the table up to 30 by heart so that you can easily find out the factors of any numbers up to 30. There is another trick associated with this 12. So how